This is Bobby Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive at the SeeThruEquity 4th Annual MicroCap Investor Conference 2015 in New York City. With me right now is Russell Hoon from NovaBay Pharmaceuticals, Inc. It's NBY. Russell, welcome back to SNNLive.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
You know, it's been a while since we've had NovaBay on, so let's start off for our investor audience with a quick overview on NovaBay.
Well, that's great. I'd love to do that. We're at such an exciting time with NovaBay. We've just recently launched our first direct commercial product. We have a 35-person sales force currently calling on ODs and MDs in the ophthalmology space. We've had wonderful traction with the product. We launched last September, and we've just recently shown results of doubling our sales from the fourth quarter of last year to the first quarter of this year. We think this traction is going to stick, and we're going to expand this sales force to 50 people. As I said earlier, this is one of the most exciting times to be with NovaBay. The patients love this product. Why? It works. The doctors love it because for the first time, they have something for those patients with blepharitis, MGD, and dry eye that gives the patient relief. And the doctors like that because they can finally help this patient. All doctors have patients that it hurts their heart to see because they can't really help the grittiness, the scratchiness in the eye. Now they can. So all of the KOLs in the marketplace, over 20 of them, have come to us and are on our speakers bureau. As a matter of fact, one of them is actually a blepharitis sufferer and is in our advertisements in all the trade journals. So the future is bright.
So let's get into the product a little bit. Firstly, what is the name, and also, you know, how does it work? How is it delivered? You know, is it an eye drop? Is it topical gel? You know, how does it work?
Great questions again. The name of the product is Avenova. Avenova is the only product with Neutrox in it. Neutrox is hypochlorous acid and in saline. The delivery of the product is in a spray bottle. You apply it topically to the lids and lashes twice a day. Simply spray it on a cotton round and wash your lids and lashes. It seems so simple, but not many people do good eyelid hygiene. So with the antimicrobial activity of the Neutrox in Avenova, you're able to knock down the bacteria and the inflammation in the lids and lashes and finally be able to control the symptoms of blepharitis, MGD, and dry eye.
So dry eye, you know, how big is this market?
That's a great question too. The market is estimated to be 30 to 35 million plus patients. These patients are seen by ODs and MDs. 40% of the patients that ophthalmologists have this condition. And about 47% of the ODs patients have this condition. We estimate, well, actually, the marketplace is estimated at about $500 million. So it's quite a large unserved market that our product is directly aimed at. And our early results over the last 9 months are that not only do the doctors like this, the patients love it.
So let's get into a bit of an update. You know, since we last spoke, as you said, you know, you now have the product on sale. You have a big sales force in the U.S. What else can you tell me that's going on in the company?
Well, we have a pipeline of products in the eye space. We hope within the next 60 to 90 days to potentially be able to have another cleared device. That would be in the contact lens cleansing area or care area. We're waiting for the clearance from the FDA now. We're also working on an overnight cream or ointment that will be for the same type of condition, but with a long-lasting, slow-release version of the Avenova. So you can put that on at night before you go to bed. Along with that, we're looking at other potential candidates for products that meet that same call point so that we can maximize the effectivity of every sales call our reps make. And of course, in my office, I have signs on the walls that say sales, sales, sales. That's really what the future holds for me.
So for more information on NovaBay, Where can our investor audience go and find that?
Well, our call sign is NBY. We're on the Amex. We have a website, NovaBay.com. There's also the Avenova website, AVENOVA.com.
You heard it here, folks. If you want more information on NovaBay Pharmaceuticals, please go to NovaBay.com. And on their product that's currently on the market right now, go to Avenova.com. My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm here live on SNNLive at the SeeThruEquity 4th Annual MicroCap Investor Conference 2015 in New York City. With me again has been Russell Hoon from NovaBay Pharmaceuticals, symbol NBY. Russell, thank you again for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.